All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're unboxing new product from We the People holsters. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. All right, so today we were planning on doing an unboxing video. However, I filmed this video and I already opened the package and realized that my microphone did not work and I had no audio. So we're having to redo this. Package has already been opened, so we're not technically unboxing. I've just unboxed it. So, but we have two products from We the People holsters. If you're unfamiliar with We the People holsters, they have everything from holsters for your pew-pew to apparel to bacon jerky. They've got it all. Belts, everything. So I already have one of these. They have sent me another. And I've got to find a new place to put this one. But an inside the waistband holster mount. Comes in this nice little plastic zippered bag with instructions on one side. It gives you two mounting options. It gives you Velcro or screws. I've mounted one with Velcro in my truck in the heat of the summer. It did not hold the Velcro. The adhesive on the Velcro would fall. So I'm working on trying to come up with a new game plan, but I do have another one. This is what it looks like. And you have a little release button there, and you just lock the clip that goes on the outside of your pants for an inside the waistband holster. It locks in there, so you have immediate access to your pew-pew wherever you mount this. So it's got 4 screw holes, as you can see, across the top and the bottom, and then the back is kind of plated so you can use the Velcro. So I'm going to play around with this a little bit and try to figure out where I want to mount it. I may mount it somewhere where I can use screws versus my truck, but yes, the inside the waistband holster mount. Now there will be a link to We the People holsters in the description below. I am part of the We the People Elite program. What that means is they send me gear, awesome gear, to test, review, and showcase for you guys, so you get to see about it. And what that means is if you get over to We the People holsters through my link and you make a purchase, I get a little bit of money that comes back to this channel. Just a little bit of a commission. So there's that, the inside the waistband holster mount. All right, so next up is a brand new product. This is the Patriot 2-point rifle sling. All right, so like I said, I've already unboxed this, so my apologies. But it does come with the quick release straps or buckles. Right, so this is a buckle here, or a push button here, that releases those tabs. So it's quick release on your pew-pew if your pew-pew accepts that. If it doesn't, you can remove these. If it already has your hardware on your pew-pew, you can take these off and use just the strap. So I'm gonna do a video showing how to do that because mine does not accept these. So I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna show you a separate video how to take these off and put these in there. But this will run you about $65 over on We the People. But it's a nylon 2-point sling. What's really cool about this is it's really, really adjustable just by looking at it. And like I said, I've not even mounted this to anything. I unboxed it and I looked at it and kind of overviewed it on my other video, realized there's no sound. So you've got 2 adjustment points here on the bottom. And then on this side, you've got an adjustment here and an adjustment here. The cool thing about this little tab that's just hanging there, it's a quick release. So if you have this on, however, and you need to tighten it up, you got your pew-pew mounted and slung around you, if I can get it there, and you need to tighten the sling up, you can grab that and pull and it'll tighten. Or you can pull up on it and it'll loosen. So really cool, one strap to loosen or tighten. So that's really awesome. So I'm gonna mount this to mine. I'm gonna do a video showing you how to do it. We're gonna learn together. So yeah, there's that. The Patriot 2-point rifle sling from We the People holsters. Get over, check it out if you're interested. Like I said, if you know you want one, they'll run you about $65 over on We the People. So there you go check it out. And link in the description. I'll see you in the comments. Let me know if you've seen this advertised or if you're interested in getting one, drop it in the comments, and I'll see you there, and then I'll see you in the next video. So until then, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.